inside everything what you modeled in your mask. So just tear big pieces of it now. Take a bucket and we soak it in the water. Then one layer upon the other, and in the end we turn the whole heap of paper, that the one which has been first is now on top. You use 1 cup of white glue and you mix it all together in the amount of the water which is written on the back side. That you take the mask off the board. This is maybe not so easy, maybe it's easy. Okay, inside you see it's not very dry.
Yeah.
So if the mask paper tears while taking the clay out, it's really it's a pain in the ass, to tell you the truth. A cushion, because otherwise it will break. You have to dig out this, take the clay out. You see, it's very soft. Try to be careful that your mask is not like becoming a flat pancake, because you worked so nicely. Just to make it safer and that it's not breaking. Here, like this. Not really good space, so here it is a little bit too short, so we have to cut a lot out here that he can put it more closer to his face.